What's going on, everybody? It's your boy named Matthews, back again with another video, man. Your boy just woke up not too long ago, right? Brushed my teeth, did my little morning stuff, but before I was gonna hit the beard up today, maybe line it up, I don't know, it's no shave November, so maybe I shouldn't really touch it. Y'all know I really didn't participate last year with the beard for no shave November, but I did, you know, do a little something different with the mustache. Make sure y'all hit the card that pops up if you want to see my little last year's journey around the time of No Shave November. This has become something that I started out doing maybe once, twice, maybe even up to 3 times a week. Till lately, I've been shaving my head every single day. You guys, of course, ain't really gonna be able to tell, but as I say in numerous videos, if you're bald, you'll understand why I shave like pretty often nowadays. You know, I just don't like any little small hairs growing at all. If it starts growing back, boom, gotta go, and it grows back pretty quick. So we're gonna hit it today. Lately, I've been using what you guys have seen me use in a previous video. This is the Schick Hydro 5 cents razor with the cartridge from one of the other disposable razors. I just threw that on here. This is one that allows me to shave, you know, real quick and stuff, get it done. This has been my go-to. Really love it. But today we're going to be going back over to the Parker right here. This razor is one of my other favorites, and I actually, when I was just on the scene of only using double-edged safety razors like this, once I came to this one, I've never tried, well, I ain't gonna say I've never tried, but I've never really stuck with any other safety razor outside of this Parker right here. Now, if you guys want to pick your hands up on this, or even see a whole bunch more videos that I have explaining this, using this, my experience, again, you're going to see my experience on this today, but make sure you hit the card that pops up and click the link in the description if you guys are interested in picking one of these up. I'm going to go ahead and throw on this water right here. We're going to get this thing started, man. Again, I'm just throwing a little bit of water on there. And we're going to slick it up in just a moment. Something else I haven't used too recently to shave my head is what I'm getting ready to use in a moment. Normally I'd be using this right here, right? I showed you guys this, the Hydro. I'm just going to use this until it ends, and then I'm just going to move on to something else. Today though, instead of using this as my shaving cream, I'm going to be using that good old Noxzema, right? You guys see me jump back and forth, and I really don't have a favorite. There's no one that I would say is like the best or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on my head, and we're gonna get started. Since it's No Shave November, we're gonna be talking about the beard, man. We're gonna be talking about the beard. Now, to the people that's been stopping me at my job and stuff lately, saying, you know, they envious of my beard and what do I use to make my beard grow and stuff like that. You guys may or may not have heard this before, but I'll just tell y'all, man, God gave me this beard, man. There's none of these products I use. I'm not giving none of these products credit for letting my beard grow. My beard is going to grow on its own regardless if I touch it or not. How do I know that? Because I was too cheap to buy any type of beard products when I first started growing a beard. I didn't believe in beard products, right? So I didn't do anything to it. And did my beard grow? Sure did. Did it look nice? Hell no. So because my beard didn't look nice, that is why you need these products to put inside of your beard to keep it moisturized, to keep it from, you know, tangling up too much, from keeping it from breaking. You want to put some shine in it when people are walking past you, or when you walking past people, you want them to be envious of your beard. You want your beard to look nice, keep it lined up, keep it glowing, you feel me? And that's what these products do to your beard, is they make it look nice, to keep you maintained and keep you looking fresh, if you'll say that. But growing the beard is going to grow on its own. I don't got to put nothing in my beard at all. It's going to grow. I just don't want it breaking. That's why I put these oils and these butters and stuff like that into my beard. With me having all like types of new subscribers and stuff like that, new viewers, a lot of people do ask the same questions. You know, what products do I use? Where can they get them? The link is going to be in the description, guys. So just go to the website, BRDGNG.com. It's been up there for a mighty long time. Anytime I try a new product, mostly if I like it, it's going to go on the website. If I don't really like it, it maybe not hit the website, but there's still always going to be a link in the description no matter what, for what I'm using in that video. So again, today we're using the Parker double-edged safety razor, the exact model and things like that. I don't forgot because I ain't used it in a minute, and I don't feel like doing my little research before I hit it. So I'm going to go ahead and start on this, and I know I'm going to get me a nice, clean, close shave. Kind of keeping it pressed to my skin. Small strokes. And I know y'all hear them hairs cutting pretty good. And this razor has always done a really good job. Reason I kind of switched and haven't went back is because with me shaving more often now, I wanted to, you know, make it as fast as possible for me to hurry up and get it done. Shaving my head is not really like, it's not a hobby, guys. It's a chore. I have to shave my head, right? If I want to look nice and presentable and stuff like that, with me, you know, losing my hair and stuff like that. Again, if you guys are new, or if you guys are going bald or stuff like that, or feel like you're thinning and trying to hide it and stuff like that, hit my video that pops up. I have numerous videos, like at least 4 or 5 videos maybe, like specifically discussing the factors of going bald and how to deal with it if you have low self-esteem, and how to just get over it and stuff like that, because it definitely doesn't happen overnight. But when you get to the point where I'm at, man, it's whatever. Now, me making these videos for you guys, yeah, that's more of a hobby. I don't have to do this. I just really want to share the knowledge and stuff with you guys. But shaving my head, this is not a hobby. I wish I could just shave it once and it just stay shaved and I don't got to keep doing it. But I got to keep doing it. And again, that's the reason why I switched over to the Schick Hydro 5 razor right here that I've been using more recently, is because that one, the blades are not as sharp. So maybe it's not going to get as close as this current blade I'm using right now. Again, I believe I have the Personna blade in here, which is also on the website that you guys can pick up, and numerous videos on my channel of me using it, showing you guys up close and stuff like that. But yeah, with me having to shave so often, it definitely is a chore. And yeah, I'll be wanting to get it done as quickly as possible. One of the plus sides of this razor is because it has little channels right here, 2 channels, so when you rinse the water through, it just gets all the hairs and knocks the hairs loose. If they just so happen to be stuck in there, the slicker it is, the easier it's going to be for the hairs to be cut, right? I know y'all hear the hairs cutting again. You don't really need to dig it into your skin. Just let the blade do the work. Let the blade do what the blade gonna do. Be careful in the little crease in your head. I know I can't be the only one with the little crease in the back of my head, right? It ain't no big old crease if y'all can see it from the side there. But yeah, y'all want to be careful when y'all dip that razor right there, because that's where you can get sliced up pretty good if you trying to go too quick. Some people be all surprised and stuff that I be talking, like, you know, giving direction and stuff like that while I'm shaving, because you guys got to really hold your breath when you're doing this. You got to hold your breath and be quiet. Make sure you don't, you know, cut yourself up. But the more you do it, the easier it'll be. And that's just with anything in life, right? Keep practicing, keep going, it gets easier. And that's where I'm at with it pretty much. So it's definitely easy, but, you know, if you guys try to do something like this, you end up cutting yourself the first time, or maybe even the first couple times. Hell, you might even do it right 10 times in a row. You still might cut yourself on the 11th time. But that's A-okay, because it just happens sometimes. It's just the way it is. Keep going though. Practice if you need to. Keep getting better. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some more water on my head. Give me another little scoop of this Noxzema here, and we're gonna go for a second pass. Some people might ask why I do a second pass, and my answer for that is why certain people, maybe your choice is to press harder on the razor to make sure you get it all. Me, I'd rather go lightly so I don't, you know, dig into my skin, cut myself up, and then simply just take a little bit of extra time out of my day and do the same routine again, and that's going to put the razor even closer to my scalp than it was before, you know, now that there's less hair in the way. For the people who also ask, which I've answered this question a million times as well, why don't I shave going against the grain, or how is it really possible for me to get a good shave when I'm not going against the grain? And my answer to that is click the card that pops up and you'll find out why I do not normally shave against the grain. I feel like everything that I've done with my beard, everything that I've done with shaving my head, you know, it took me a long time to learn how to do it, but I done gave all that knowledge away, and now I do the same things. I found stuff that works for me, and I'm doing the same things, which I've already explained on the channel. But who knows, man, I might start doing daily shave videos. Daily shaves. I might just start going live, like shaving my head live while I'm getting ready or something like that. I don't know. Would y'all be interested in that? Rinse this razor off. We're gonna go throw ahead some aftershave on my head. I think I'm gonna use something a little bit different this time too. I've always been forgetting about it. Always make sure you rinse your razor off and dry it off as well so it don't get all rusty and stuff, you know, cutting you up with a rusty blade. That would definitely not be good at all. Go ahead and rinse my head off. Real easy, real easy. I might have to hit the beard another time, man. What y'all doing for this No Shave November? What's y'all goals? If this your first time celebrating No Shave November, man, sound off in the comments, man. Let me know. I'm wishing y'all the best of luck, man. For everybody that says they, you know, they trying to get a beard like mine. Keep going, man. Keep going. You'll get there one day. Now, again, I told you guys, I don't use any certain products like that. So you guys might have to ask somebody that you have seen personally that has always had a very short beard or couldn't grow a beard at all. And all of a sudden now you see them and they got a beard. Well, maybe you can't trust them like that. They might have glued something on right there. But yeah, if you've seen somebody with a beard and it was growing, but growing very, very slow or something like that, ask them maybe what they did to speed up the process. I don't use any products to speed up the process. Again, no credit goes to none of the products for nothing like that. It just happened, man. I don't know what to tell you. Using the same old same, man. We got this witch hazel. Link is going to be in the description for this witch hazel. It's similar to, like, you know, rubbing alcohol, but it's not as savage on your skin. It's not going to burn the mess out of your head when you use it. But it is going to give you a little nice little tingle, and you're going to feel it. Sometimes I put this on and just leave it at that. Other times I put this on, I put some lotion on or some different type of aftershave that's going to give me some, you know, like a scented type of aftershave, whatever it may be. This is like the base of it, though. No matter what you do, you always want to use some type of, you know, alcohol or witch hazel in my case here. We're going to use this. I've had this for a very long time and haven't used it in quite a while, man. This is the Burberry Aftershave. Y'all can see that right there. I went ahead and pat dried my head real quick. Now we're going to go ahead and throw this Burberry London Aftershave on. Just a little bit. Smells super, super good. While I'm at it, I'm just going to go ahead and fix my beard up too. I ain't going to line my beard up, but again, just throw some water on it. No, I can't really get this on camera. Y'all can see it a little bit there. I'm trying not to get the, you know, the floor all wet up in the bathroom here. But that's pretty much what I do, man. Just get some hot water and just rub it across your beard and soften the hairs up. Trying to show y'all me wetting my beard, man. I done flooded the whole sink, man. The whole sink all wet. Y'all see what I do for you, man? Hopefully y'all thumbs up this video. Hopefully you guys find this helpful, man, Cause I'm over here making a big old mess, man. Jeez Louise, my guy. Let's clean this up before we do anything. I'm gonna have a goddamn slip and fall. Whole floor all wet. Ridiculous, bro. I'm like 2 years old in the bathroom. What are we gonna put in my beard now that I done did it? Nothing yet. We actually gonna go ahead and pick it out first. How about that? So when my beard is a little softer than it was in the beginning, got my pick. If you're a little smaller size beard, you can go ahead and use a comb. You can use a brush, whatever you got. But for you guys who be asking, you know, which direction do you brush your beard? Which direction do you pick it? How you do this? How you do that? Well, me, just put it to the side and straight do my thing like that. I don't think that plays a significant role in anything, but for those who asked, I mean, I'm doing it right here on the video. What you think, man? And then go from the bottom and pick it up. Now that I got it picked out, we can go ahead and choose a product. What I'm going to be using today is from Scotch Porter right here. If you guys want to check it out, man, I got a link in the description. Go ahead and use my special link, man. I get discounts for you guys and all that type of stuff. And you guys would also be helping me out, letting them know that, you know, I'm putting y'all on game to this Scotch Porter, man. So this is something that I've had for a little minute, man. I got a whole little box of products right here, right, for the Scotch Porter. What we're going to go ahead and use today. We're going to go ahead and use... I ain't gonna say this on screen. It's the beard balm, but you know I ain't gonna say it on screen because YouTube be looking like, oh no, you can't say that. Oh, you can't say that. I don't know if y'all can see it though. I don't know if y'all can see the model of this beard balm, and I can't put it in the title, man. I'm gonna get in trouble if I put that in the title. But y'all see what it is? Beard balm. With a little something inside of this beard balm. So we're gonna go ahead and get a little scoop of this. And this is not like your regular old beard balm. This is very like thin. It's not as thin as like lotion. You don't gotta scrape it out and all that stuff like all these other ones you do. Rub it in. There it is. After you apply the product, go ahead and pick it up the same way you did before you even put the product in. And again, the reason why you want to do it before Again, I think it just makes it a whole lot easier. You're not getting it all tangled and pretty much flicking all the product out that you're trying to get. Second time around, this is going to be a lot smoother and easier to pick it out than it was the first time. Again, I did not line my beard up or nothing, but this is how it's just been, you know. It's still got the line in there from the previous time I shaved. Y'all see the head up close. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Nicely shaved with the witch hazel and the aftershave. It's definitely things that you got to do to maintain the look that you're going for. And again, for those of you who ask what I do to, you know, keep my beard up, this is what I do. All the products I use, everything that I recommend, again, you can go ahead and find it on BRDGNG.com. Make sure you guys subscribe before you get up out of here and hit the thumbs up as well. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.